What do you say? Do you wanna get away for the weekend? Just because we can. Look at that.
Alright, so we've made it to Pulau Ubin, and today I've brought with me the DJI Action 4. You might have seen my previous video which I shot in Thailand with this camera, and today I'm going to be trying out vlogging with this camera, and we're going to see how that goes while exploring the island. So yeah, it's been quite a while since I last been to Pulau Ubin, and there seems to be a lot of new structures here. And today Joshua behind me is going to bring me around the island because he has a couple of spots he wants to hit to do some photography. This is a very different experience for me because the last time I was here, I was cycling around the island. You can check the vlog out, I'll link it up top. We're heading up this path over here right now, and because this place is so remote, people have their own paths to their house. And one of the ways you can identify that is you see these old mailboxes over here. It's quite interesting. This one has like a old tree stump over there, quite big one. Apparently behind me, this used to be the old village chief's house. Apparently someone still lives here on the first floor. Second floor isn't really accessible anymore, but quite cool to see this in person.
Beautiful thing. What a day, what a day, what a day, what a day to be alive. What a day, what a day, what a day, what a day to be alive.
This place has some serious history over here. Right here there's a antenna for like TV, I guess, and the cables are just hanging out over here on this metal pole, and the cable just runs straight in. That's so interesting. Wow. You know, shooting with this camera is so nice. Right now I'm shooting with the ultra wide FOV, and it's pretty much equivalent to 11mm, so that's ultra wide. It's about 1 PM now, and we've just made it to the northernmost part of Pulau Ubin over here. So if I'm not wrong, over there, that should be Malaysia. There's like some hills over there in the distance. Yeah, this is the northernmost part of Singapore. So this over here is actually a campsite. So you can put like our campfires over here. It's pretty nice. Wow. First of all, the weather today is absolutely amazing. Check this out, look at how clear the waters are. Really nice. You don't get a lot of waters like this in Singapore. So it's really nice to come to like places like these, and there's no one here. I've probably said that like multiple times, but like, that's crazy. Alright, it's currently 9:09 AM and we're over here at our first stop for today. We're here at this place called Tom and Danny Coffee. We're here to try out the coffee and also probably going to have some breakfast here before heading out to the main parts of JB for today. So yeah, let's go. Alright, so over here I ordered the peanut butter latte, and it comes with peanut butter on the side as well as outside. So it's quite interesting because I never tried something like this before. I feel like you don't get to find something like this very often with like actual peanut, so it's quite nice. Alright, so that was the first cafe for today. Actually not that bad, it was quite good, but I would love to try a lot more of the other drinks over there because they seem really good. I think overall for now I'll give it an 8 out of 10. Not too bad. And right now we're going to be heading to our next mall for today. A couple of months back I actually stayed over here at this apartment building over here. So this was like part of the view. So it's really nice that I'm finally able to explore this side over here of like the JB like waterfront near the causeway. Quite nice. Alright, so we're a bit early right now, so we're just going to be exploring the area. I've actually walked here before, but I didn't walk like towards the waterfront side. I've walked in the more of the shopping mall area. So it's very nice to explore this side.
A little something in the air. I thought I didn't have a prayer, but your friend said I faith. Rehearsing what I might say.
We are currently at Mid Valley South Quay. I've been here a couple of times. I always come here, and I think it's also quite convenient because it's only 5 minutes away by car. So it's very nice, and it's a new mall as well. There's many shops here to come explore, and cafes, so I can come shopping as well. So, got my second coffee of the day. This is Zeus coffee, and I got a coconut latte. It's my first time trying this, and apparently it's a Malaysian coffee brand. So this is my first try. It's more coconutty than I thought. That's the best way I can put it. So I got mine like regular sweet, but I feel like it isn't super sweet. It's more of like the milk flavor coming through. 7 out of 10, not that bad. So I got this coconut latte for about 9 to 10 ringgit if I'm not wrong. It's quite good. I would actually recommend it. And yeah, if you want to try it, it's over here at the lower ground floor. Not bad. I don't know if I'm just very lucky today, but every single time I try to book a Grab today, like my ride gets accepted instantly, which is like, wow. And I think our ride's coming soon.
Suddenly every flash of